G'day folks, Benno again. I'm in the shed for the moment. Going to be doing drone rescue attempt number 3, or is it number 4? I can't quite remember. Anyway, I've got myself a little dinghy, got a wetsuit, got a flippers and goggles and snorkel and camera. So I'm going to put a camera in the water. If I can locate the drone in the water, then I'll dive on it, try and recover it. Fairly hopeful, but we'll see what happens. So I'll catch us down at the water. Take it easy. Let's get the video. Come on. Okay.
What do you want?
Hey, we're just going to Beechworth Bakery, some of the best pies around the place. Taking grouse. Got some goodies from the Beechworth Bakery. We're going to head down to Woolshed Falls and have a feast. If we can get out of town. When I dive, I'll be using the chest mount, and I'll be using the GoPro 7 Silver, only because it's got a great battery life and it's fully charged. I'd prefer to use the black if I could, but it's just not going to happen. And I've lost the waterproof door for the black, so I'm not going to put that one in the water. All right, guys, catch you in the water. I've been diving in the water, just snorkeling, and have a look at this. Look what I found. I found it. Got it back. Whew. It was down at about 7 or 8 metres, and only damage, physical damage, is broken one of the props, but other than that, I'm pretty bloody happy with that. Put a smile on my face. Catch you later, tubers.